Science fiction has taken a step closer to reality. Astronauts may one day be able to patch up injuries with bioengineered tissue on alien worlds with the help of magnetism. Cosmonaut Oleg Kononenko assembled human cartilage in space for the first time on board the International Space Station. On Earth, bioprinters rely on gravity and scaffolds to hold cartilage cells together, but in space, there is only microgravity. Instead, he harnessed the power of magnetism to hold the cells in place while they float in the air. Talk about science fiction! The magnetic levitation bioassembly device works well in orbit because it counteracts microgravity and other acceleration effects. The actual cells aren't magnetic, only the fluid in the assembler, and it can be used to manipulate the tissue. A team of researchers monitored the experiment from Earth, and they say as humans embark on long-term space travel or colonize Mars, we may want to test the limits of building functional tissues in space and even experiment in extraterrestrial environments. The findings were published in the journal Science Advances.